Hi, everybody. Really quickly, we are going to talk about proportional versus non-proportional relationships. In equations, the proportional relationships look like y equals mx or y equals kx, which is your constant of proportionality equation. So you're going to notice that there's not going to be a y-intercept. There's no addition or subtraction of a number in here. But when you go to non-proportional relationships, you will notice that you are using the formula y equals mx plus b, where you have a y-intercept that is not 0. For example, -1, -4, plus 10, plus 7, all of those are y-intercepts other than 0, and that's what makes them non-proportional. Proportional relationships in tables will always have an ordered pair of 0, 0. So as you can see in this assignment right here, or this table right here, here's an ordered pair of 0, 0. So that's what makes it proportional. When you go to look at the other example over here, you'll notice that there is no 0, 0 visible, but it is there. If you look at the change in y, it is decreasing by 3. Okay, so if I do the inverse and increase by 3, -3 and +3 makes 0. Okay, and then when we come over here, you can see that it's increasing by, on the x, by 1. So if I decrease by 1, the opposite, 1 minus 1 is 0. So then there is an actual ordered pair, 0, 0, right here in the table. It's just not visible. So then we take a look at the non-proportional. Non-proportional relationships are going to have an ordered pair of 0 and a y value other than 0. So for example, this one is 0, -5, which means that it has a y-intercept of -5. So it is non-proportional. So any table that has an ordered pair of 0 and then a y of any number other than 0, it is going to be non-proportional. Let's take a look at the graphs. In a graph, because it has the ordered pair 0, 0, all of the graphs are going to go through the origin at 0, 0. It doesn't matter if it's a positive relationship or a positive slope or a negative slope. It is going to go through the origin at 0, 0 in order for it to be considered proportional. So let's talk about non-proportional. That means it does not go through the origin. So when you take a look at this graph right here, you can see that it does not go through the origin. In fact, its y-intercept is negative. Okay, take a look at this one. When you look at this one, you can see that the first point is 0, 30, which means that it starts at 30, which means it will never go through 0, 0. So this is a non-proportional graph as well. Hopefully I have clarified proportional and non-proportional equations, tables, and graphs for you. So let's go ahead and practice. Have a good day. Bye.